Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be doing a range of resistance bands movements, but we're going to be only seated. Anyone at home can do it quite easily, or the office. When you have a 5-minute break, your lunch break, your coffee break, you can do your stretches and get a quick workout. This is a great exercise that you can use as full body exercises, upper, lower as well, and the core. That gives you general training. Okay, so let's give this a try, and I'll move back and tune in. So today what we'll start with some upper body exercises, working from the shoulders down to the chest, and then the arms, and then the abs, and then we'll work some lower body movements for the back, and then for the legs. Okay, so there'll be a range. So this is going to be introductory video. Perhaps I'll split it into 3 parts. We'll see how we go, and let's get started. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use the trainer band, which is suitable for anybody. The other bands you can use if you feel like a more strenuous workout, but let's start with this. I'm going to prove that all these exercises are not just for the fitness buffs, but pretty much anyone can get involved. Okay. Okay. So start with the shoulders. We start with the pull apart. Pull apart, very simple. Just obviously all exercises, you sit up straight, hold in the middle, and as the name says, we pull it apart. If you want it tighter, you want it harder, pull it closer, okay? Or we change it to a high level band. If 2 is a bit tricky, as hard as we want, you can go to single band. Okay. And then we want to pull up so the band all the way straight back to the back. And what we what I recommend, with triple legs, we want to do things in 3 sets. So I would recommend that we do a 45 minutes movement and then a 15-second rest. And with each time you do it between 10 and 20 times, and that depending, the key I think when you get it is you want to feel a muscle burn. With a pull apart, we're looking for the back muscle here and the shoulder, so you want to get some burn to it. If you're not getting the burn, you're not getting a decent workout. Okay. The second is lateral raise. What we do is we step on the band, 2 feet in front, step on the band in the middle of your feet, and we pull up sideways. Okay. Don't bump into things. Okay. This is a single band. You can step on a double side and use both sides and layer up. Third movement we'll do is the front raises. Front raise is similar to lateral raise, but we're going in the front. We only want to go in the horizontal, and the key is we want to keep control. And similar, you can double up or hold it down lower to get that extra strength if it's not strong enough. Okay, shoulder press. Shoulder press, we can either step on it to lift up, or option is you can place it under the chair, or actually what people also do is they sit on it. You can sit on it, sit on as well, and then we lift it up. Straight arm, full. Okay. If it's not enough strength as well, you can double layer it up, change bands, or hold it lower down as well. Okay. You want to try to keep the band on the outside of the arm, not on the inside. But inside's also okay. And we're done. So these are the basic moves which I'll be introducing if you're for for a seated version of our band exercises. All these moves are incorporated into the bands. They're not specifically named after the seated ones because they're more arranged for a standing up full body exercise. However, all these moves can be done if you're seated, even if that is necessary. Hopefully that helped out a bit, and if you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button, like the page, give us some comments down below, and join us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And if you're interested in joining up, jump onto xxbands.com and put your name in a subscriber, and we'll update you with any new information. Okay, if there's anything else you want to see, please put in a comment so that we can make more videos for you. We did the chair one obviously because people asked for it. They didn't want me standing around in the park and everything. They said, "Oh, that's too energetic, I can't follow it." Oh, my mum can't follow it. I think this set of moves can be done. You can do it your own timing, however you want to do it. Just make sure you keep exercise everything else every day. And as I said, my motto is don't forget to work out today. So please don't forget to work out today. Peace out.